Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am back with another video, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for joining. This is a channel where I talk about all things law, and so you're interested in learning about the law, knowing your rights. This is where you want to be. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video, comment, and share videos with your friends and family. So this video is about a black woman who was accused of shoplifting while she was shopping at an Old Navy store. So watch this video and I'm going to do a legal analysis of it.
With this shirt on.
Can you come with me to Old Navy?
No. No. Benefits? I have a job, so you better hurry up and do what you have to do. Because you guys are making me mad. Hurry up.
I know.
There's nothing you can say to calm me down.
I know that there's.
So whatever training you got, you should have fucking put it into perspective before I walked out the store and you chased me.
I need you to lower your voice.
No.
I know that you were very upset.
I'm not lowering my voice. I have a right to not lower my voice.
I understand.
She
that.
put her hands on me because you guys said that I didn't walk in the store with my top. But sir,
I know.
Can you believe this?
I know. That's why.
Did you see it on TV?
I understand.
Sir.
This is why we're here to
Sir,
help. I know.
you see this on social media.
I know.
Would you ever think it's going to happen to you just because you're brown?
I know, right?
No.
Exactly.
No.
I just need you to just bring it down a bit.
Mister.
I know you're upset.
Yeah, but sir, you know they're wasting my time now. I've been here for over 5 minutes.
I understand that, but if we can deal with it and get it over with, the quicker the better, right? You know what I mean?
I apologize that this has happened. Because this is not right, and this is not something that I condone in my store. And I would like.
This has never happened to me before in my life. I always see it on social media.
It shouldn't have to happen.
I see it on social media, and the only reason I'm crying is because I'm hurt.
I understand that.
I never expected this to ever happen to me. You know, you go out there, you go to school, you get a good education, you do everything right, and then you come into a store that, oh, look at my ripped jeans. Look at my ripped jeans from All Navy. All my clothes are from All Navy, and they have the right to do this to me. They think they have a right to do this to me. Now she's telling me to shut up.
I didn't tell you to shut up. I didn't.
By all means, you understand where you're coming from, right?
I want them to come down and tell me, because I thought Stephanie said she already checked the video. What am I doing here? She told me on my tape that she already checked the video and she seen that I walked in here without this top. So why is it taking so long?
I don't know why she would have told you that. I apologize. I don't know why she would have said that. I'm going to deal with her when I can, as soon as I can help you. Okay? I don't know why she said that to you.
I'm not leaving until she sees I get my apology from Stephanie for putting her hands on me, and on top of that, I'm still filing a civil suit against you guys.
So as you can see, the black lady was extremely upset because she was accused of shoplifting. So I know everyone goes shopping, whether it's for groceries or to go buy clothing items or whatever it may be that you are shopping for. Everyone has been in a store and everyone shops. So what happens if you're in a store and someone accuses you of stealing? So there's this rule that is called the shopkeeper's privilege. And so what that typically means is that if the person is a merchant, which is the shopkeeper, which will be like whatever store you're in, they're a merchant, and they have reasonable suspicion that you are stealing something or that someone is stealing from them, they can detain you for a reasonable amount of time. And so reasonable amount of time is going to vary per situation. So if you are in a store and they think or they suspect you are shoplifting, they can then detain you for a certain amount of time. And so what that typically means is they have to have like some type of suspicion that you've given them some type of reason. And I know this happens a lot to brown and black people all the time. They suspect you are stealing. Oh, well, we need to detain you. And they legally have the right to do that. So I want you to understand that you're going in and out of these stores they can stop and detain you if they suspect that you are stealing. And it is extremely humiliating. It truly is. But this, by law, they have the right to do this. So in this situation, with them stopping this lady, pulling her back into the store and having a conversation with her, going back, checking tapes, they legally have the right to do that. And she has every right to be upset, especially if she has not stolen anything. That is extremely humiliating. However, this is what happens every single day. So if you are going in and out of stores and someone, especially the merchant who is the shopkeeper, if they decide that they believe you are stealing, they do have the right to detain you for a reasonable amount of time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you gained and learned some knowledge here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.